So Rasha Kirmani over here is not just talented, she's also
That paper degree really has no value.
cheers to that.
Cheers to that. So I feel like men are like the bread earners of the family. Men go through like hell lot of trauma because they're facing the world outside. तो भी का कुत्ता ना घर का ना घाट.
बहुत हंस लिए, थोड़ा सा रुला देती हूँ.
Papa, don't watch this. That broke me completely. वहाँ पे मैं threshold broke.
Who is your 3 AM friend?
Because I don't know what they would just snip out of here and there and
Yeah.
make something out of it.
1000 लोगों के सामने कैमरा के सामने बात करना मजा आता है. The moment it is off, how do you think that family is going to accept you? How do you think your man is going to accept you?
I know the Gayatri mantra. तुम तो खूब आभार.
Pack up करो रे. नहीं. So today with me, I have a friend. But along with that, you guys know her as an actress, as a model, and as a lot more. When I say a lot more, what I mean is, let's ask her, what do people know her as? Rasha Kirmani. I hope I pronounced that right this time, babe.
You did.
Oh, finally. It took me donkey years to pronounce it correct as well. I've been calling her Rasha, and everything else, right?
You call me everything other than Rasha Kirmani.
Okay, so I still made the same mistake. So, Rasha, first of all, just like I said, what exactly do people know you as?
They know me as a wannabe influencer.
Okay.
जो कि मैं हूँ नहीं basically, but ठीक है अभी किस को बदलते बैठेंगे.
तो what did you change ताकि लोग कुछ अलग सोच सके?
I got into this industry with the agenda of becoming an actress, which by the grace of God is happening now. But I think शुरुआत I started with the easier pavement that is being a model, and then slowly I carved my destiny into acting. तो modeling को पीछे छोड़ दिया, and now I got myself into acting. That too into the Telugu industry.
Oh, so that's the place where all these super actresses have come from, right? Like,
Yeah, that's where talent is actually regarded. You know, I should say this upfrontly that Telugu industry, the South industry is the place where actually they respect talent a lot.
So Rasha Kirmani over here is not just talented, she's also super qualified with the talents. So let's begin from the beginning, Rasha. How qualified are you?
I'm qualified enough that when I was a graduate, I used to take interviews for MBA students, telling them are they selected into the company or not.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah, I mean, I think I can successfully say this that paper degree really has no value. I was a pass out from graduate. I was a graduate, and people normally get into campus placements. And मैं कैंपस प्लेसमेंट करके मेरे को पहला जॉब 90,000 का लगा, जहाँ लोग 15-20 हजार रुपए की नौकरी पे जा रहे थे. I found a job where they paid me 90,000 a month. The thrill, the adrenaline of being a from the teenagers getting into your 20s, I think that thing took over my mind, and I chose a job that gave me a lot of exposure. So I was working for an interior designing firm.
Oh.
Thing, you know, like I used to do the telecalling over the phone. So I used to get this long list of like 500 to 600 numbers जिसको मैं call करती थी, and I used to be like, and I used to choose men from it. ठीक है, मैं सिर्फ आदमियों को call करती थी, मैं लड़कियों को call नहीं करती थी, because they were so busy, they had like thousands of questions, and I was really not interested in that. So I used to call up men up, and I used to उनके company के बोलते ना working hours में, prime working hours में 11-12 बजे I used to call them up, and I'm like, hello, am I talking to Mr. Kapoor?
Ooh.
You know, with the accent.
Ooh.
Is this Mr. Kapoor?
She just picked up my surname.
Yeah.
That's a famous surname, yeah. So
That was not a coincidence.
we know people. Okay.
You know rich Kapoors, okay? So I was like, hello, is this Mr. Kapoor? He's like, obviously the other person responds saying that, yeah, like this is Mr. Kapoor. Who is this? I'm like, hi sir, this is Rasha Kirmani. And I used to be like, I'm calling from so-and-so company. Are you looking for any interior designing? Can I talk to you for 2 minutes? So obviously they're going to be in a busy working hours and all. Obviously they won't have time for me. So they're like, can we speak about this later on? So I'm like, okay, fine. I was like, is this your WhatsApp number? So he's like, yeah, this is my WhatsApp number. I said, I'll be sending you my company's profile. Just go through it and call me when it's feasible for you. He's like, okay. So as soon as they cut this call, within 2 minutes, वो number मेरे phone में save हो जाता था, and that used to be a company phone, okay? So I used to make sure that the DP used to be me.
I just thought so.
So they used to ended up call me back, but ऐसा होता था कि बहुत सारे लोगों के पास काम नहीं होता था. मतलब they don't require interior, but they want to talk to me, right? Because they like, is this the girl who's talking to me? So they used to make sure that खुद बात ना करे. They used to give me leads of potential people who would be wanting it. So my target in the company used to get over in 1 week of the month ka start, and I used to like my what do you call them? Incentives were based on the company's targets and all. And I used to like bang up lakhs and lakhs of targets and all. And my company is like, this girl is like, she's fire. So I actually ended up earning more than the director of the company every month.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that.
So, what happened from interiors to exteriors? How did that transition?
Is that how you're going to put it? I started my career. I mean, I was not dumb enough to know the fact that you cannot depend on your acting or modeling career unless you're someone like as established as the actresses today.
We'll
so I
talk
knew
about that.
So I knew I had to have a backup plan, and I always had a backup plan. I have this OCD, you know. Yeah, I have a big OCD of always being the right person. Have you watched Friends?
Yes,
I am Monica. I am total Monica. I think I'm Monica's OCD. Then that thing I think took off another turn जब मैं modeling career में उतरी तो मेरे लिए ना commitment was a very big thing. Like when people used to be like, okay, we're going to give this project to you, and I'm like, okay, so this project is going to come. This is the amount of the money that's going to come into my account, and I'm like, I'm going to be cool about it. And then within 2-3 days, that project is also done, but I never got a follow-up call, and somebody else has got casted into that. Be it a modeling project, be it a TVC, be it anything.
Yeah.
So you know this industry is like that. They'll literally make you fall on your face, and they wouldn't even ask that. Oh, was it you, Rasha?
Yeah, they
are
don't
so
have the
bare-handed.
audacity to even inform that you are out of the project.
Yeah, I think that is kind of a chivalry which people need to have over here, but they don't. And I, like an idiot, like a naive girl, you know, I was like that girl जो वो सपने सजा के industry में आई थी, thinking that everything is going to be nice and la la land and all of that thing, and I fell like straight on my face in that. Totally. So that's the reason modeling was out of picture. I got out of modeling, and then I entered into business.
But I'm gonna again take you back to the qualification part. When we were saying talented,
Yeah.
you said you got into modeling. I think you also got some other qualifications.
I did. I mean,
related
after
to your
grads,
talent.
my parents were not happy about the fact that I was into modeling. Now, I am this kind of a sucker where I needed my parents' validation for everything. So I finished my grads in accounts and finance, and I was like the topper of Maharashtra, which had no existence in reality. मतलब topper करके भी कोई फायदा नहीं था उस चीज में. I was good in studies. I was really good in studies. Then after I finished my studies, I did my masters in economics. Oh great! I did my diploma in acting. And वहाँ से भी I came out with flying colors. Then I did my diploma in psychology. The story about psychology is like I feel like I needed the urge to read people's mind. I wanted to know what people think. I wanted to know what men think, because I've had a very backhand in men life and all. So I felt like नहीं मुझे जानना है कि लोगों के जहन में क्या चल रहा है.
तो अब पता चल गया ना.
अभी भी मैं figure out कर ही रही हूँ. अभी भी I'm still figuring it out, but I think now I'm doing a good job at it.
With 1 million followers, I'm sure by now you have figured out what these 1 million men. I'm
definitely sure my 1 million consists of 9 lakh men only.
Yeah.
1 lakh
So now you understand what they want, right? With all their comments. We'll get to that.
Yeah, like
for that we need a part 4, because there'll be 3 parts talking about the comments.
So true.
Yeah, I think ये time चल रहा है अभी admissions वगैरह का, तो I think kids should really understand the marks that you got and the sincerity that you had towards studies. And despite wanting to get into modeling, wanting to get into the showbiz or entertainment industry, you never stopped studying. You always continued. Correct. And you always wanted to even excel there. And then this would happen, but this is happening. So I think that's an inspiration to students.
You know what? Actually, I used to think it the same way. Coming it out in your mouth, it makes me also feel like, हाँ यार मैंने कर लिया
Actually, बच्चे लोग को थोड़ा inspire किया.
Actually, no. The thing is that I never thought of getting into modeling or acting as a kid.
Okay.
Yeah, I was pretty focused on what I wanted to become. I wanted to become a lecturer, because my mom is a principal and she did a fabulous job at it. So I was always following her footsteps. Yeah, I wanted to become a lecturer, and that to economics. Like economics is one subject which I think 99% of the kids feel it's very boring. But for people like us who've actually studied the nag of it, and we know that it's actually very interesting, it's just they put up very boring.
Talk for self. Us, no. You.
Us में मेरे जैसे भी बहुत लोग हैं.
Economics boring था, boring.
मेरे जैसे भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं. I'm definitely sure there are going to be people out there. Can I get a oh yeah for economics? Yeah.
Okay.
So I never wanted to get into acting and modeling. The thing is that one day, just randomly out of somewhere, my friends told me like, why don't you go and participate in this beauty pageant? You know, this beauty pageant or a thingamajig that was going on. I participated into a beauty pageant, and I coincidentally won that. And honestly speaking, after that, my college sent me into 4-5 other beauty pageants where I won consistently for all of them. I don't think they made me win because of my looks or something, because I was pretty fat at that time. Like I was very fat. Not that I'm very lean right now also, but compared to now, I was pretty like nice, healthier at that point of time. And face was also pretty this thing. Like I feel like I was a very Muslimized girl at that time. You know, like the way my parents kept me was very Indianized and very Muslimized kind of a way.
खाते पीते घर की.
हाँ, I think खाते पीते घर के खाने वाले घर की I was. Yeah, I was kind of thing. And the only thing is I was very humorous as a kid.
Okay.
बहुत ज़्यादा humorous था. Because I used to watch a lot of cartoons, I used to watch a lot of things out there, and I used to read a lot, meet a lot of people. So question answer round, I think I used to nail it. Maybe other rounds I used to be little dumb and all that. So I used to win a lot of beauty pageants. उससे ना कैसे अंदर एक कीड़ा, you know the Suleimani कीड़ा, that okay now you gotta do it now.
Now I have 5 rounds at home.
What are you gonna do? मतलब background में like jalwa, te वाला scene. I literally used to do that. And I'm like, no, I got to do something about this. Why not? So we took a step ahead, and we thought that, chalo, let's give it a try. I had a serious backlash from my family. I belong to a seriously orthodox family. My acting, it was a diploma in acting. It was a 3 months course from Anupam Kher's. But the thing is that that was a very sochi samjhi hui sazish.
Oh, I thought
I actually went for diploma in acting is because I wanted to leave my house. मुझे घर से निकलना था. I wanted to stay away from home.
हम inspiration की बात कर रहे थे, darling.
No, but I actually, I felt like my late night comings to home and everything were a little problematic for my parents because they were very orthodox. तो वो लोग बोल रहे हम ढील दे रहे तो इतनी मत लो कि, you know, it creates a problem to us. So I felt like, you know, taking a step out of the house and going out and not troubling the parents was a good idea for me. I think I normally suggest everybody who comes to me saying that if it's causing a problem to your parents, stop fighting it. Find a solution and move out. Sometimes taking a step back and moving out of lives is a better option.
Agreed.
I think that's always worked really good for me. So not that I tell people to go out of their family's life, fight and leave home. No, I feel like if it's a mutual decision and you guys choose to leave home, I think sometimes it works out for the good for both.
It does.
Yeah.
So
I left my home because I was working with this interior firm. So I thought that chalo अच्छा salary आ रहा है, modeling. Yeah, modeling भी चल रहा है simultaneously. I can leave home. I left home for acting and everything. And as soon as I shifted out, मेरे को job से निकाला. Yeah.
Okay.
So that was when Bombay really hit me on my face. Yeah.
So you also do counseling sessions?
I do. I mean, earlier I used to do it on a full fleek. Matlab, every day I used to get really well paid. And I was pretty dedicated towards that, getting the journals signed, getting their thought journals, writing about them and giving them paper sheets and all. Abhi, I've reduced it a lot because I feel like now if I can't give them time to for their therapy, I should not be taking up clients. But now my previous clients who are really good to me and who just need me on the phone for this thing, I'm always available. I'm available for all my friends. Anytime you can call. So I get a lot of men clients who come here complaining about their wives, the change in behavior or probably lack of physical attention, lack of mental attention or something like that. They're going through a lot of traumas and all. So I feel like men are like the bread earners of the family. So this is my personal view. This is my personal view before anybody says. I feel like women need to pay attention to the fact that men go through like hell lot of trauma because they're facing the world outside. We still live into a society where women is expected to be at home. Very few women have actually broken the monotony and go out and earn as well as the guy. And I'm very happy for them. But I think 90% of our society still women are housewives and all. So I feel like men are going through this situation where they're finding more solace outside rather than home.
Yes.
So then they want that kind of attention. They want that kind of love and affection from wife. And the wife is like, आप आते हो घर में आके थक जाते हो, पड़े रहते हो, हमें time नहीं देते हो ये. And I think the same complaint the men have, but they are pretty egoistic enough to go and tell that to wife. So they come and they confess it out to me that who's at fault? Is she at fault? Am I at fault? If I'm starting to yell at her, तो बच्चों को पे effect पड़ेगा. तो मैं उसको बोलूँ नहीं बोलूँ. I'm into this situation. मुझे उसके साथ मन नहीं करता है घूमने फिरने का. I don't feel like taking her out. This is the kind of dilemma I face like majority of my clients have. But then when I start talking to them with the kind of mentality I have and all, बहुत लोगों को मैं पसंद आ जाने लगती हूँ. And that is a big problem because मुझे दिख जाता है,
and then you become the dream girl.
Yes, I mean, I totally become the one, you know, the kandha, you know, you say that you have that kandha. I become that to them. And then that is a bigger problem because I've taken that oath where I will not, you know, like screw up any relations with my professional life, and I've kept it. By the grace of God, God knows I've kept it always. I try pushing them back to where they were, but I don't take it in such a harsh way कि यार यहाँ से भी धुतकार रहे उसको, यहाँ से भी धुतकार देंगे बेचा. I know. फिर वो
धोबी का कुत्ता.
I was just gonna say that. धोबी का कुत्ता ना घर का ना घाट.
तो किस टाइप के प्रॉब्लम्स लेके आते हैं? बस यही घरेलू झगड़े, और you also help them with other problems?
COVID में, I think COVID में I had nothing to do for a while. Like all of us had nothing to do. But I think I completed my sexology courses in COVID. Okay. Yeah, I did one of my course from Mumbai University and I did from Yale. There was like an online course you do, and I got certified for it. So apparently I was pretty much okay to guide people on sexual tensions and problems as well. Okay. So like people say, na, ask the sexpert. So Rasha became the sexpert. But then I don't practice that with a lot of people, because then they take it into a sexual way. You don't understand. 10th standard ke board paper mein, they made us draw the male reproductive organ. And everybody were trying
What did you draw?
People were, I was noticing my friends were fidgeting to draw the body ka outline or something, and I was like shading. मैं shade pencils लेके I was shading, and then I was rubbing it nice to give it 3D effect.
No,
I was giving it a 3D effect for getting better marks. I think it was so good. I got what, 98 in science.
So you said that you belong to a very orthodox family, and you started doing modeling. You left the house, but when you were doing that, what was the opposition that you faced? What was the backlash? And belonging to a Muslim family, a very orthodox Muslim family, again belonging to that community, and what you are doing currently, your modeling, your acting, everything, I'm sure it is being opposed by the community, by the society, and by your family. What happened there? Let's बहुत हंस लिए, थोड़ा सा रुला देती हूँ. टिश्यू दादा टिश्यू रेडी रखना. हाँ
दादा थोड़ी देर बाद.
Okay, we have a strong girl here.
I actually did face a lot of problems. I mean, no joking. When we say that oppression is there, it's not just there. It's like there. My parents were opposed to the idea of me becoming a social figure and all, but natural. Achanak se, when I switched paths, I faced a lot of problem, and I told you, I was this family validation wali ladki, and I was very close to my dad. I still am. I mean, I think he's the most important person in my family for me. Nobody other than him, not even close. I don't tell that to him much often. He doesn't get to hear that much because I'm like a beta to him.
Abhi bol sakte.
Papa, don't watch this. So I never told this to Papa, that how much he means to me. I made him feel that a lot, but his oppression towards me, his opposition towards my career put me into a big situation. Malab, I used to cry. There was not even a single day, Ekta, when I stayed away from home that I didn't miss him calling on my phone. I think the maximum it was around 14 months almost, where he didn't call me and he didn't know what was I doing, where was I doing. Unka gussa was at peak. And for me, 14 months, मैं 14 minute उनके बिना नहीं रह पाती थी as a kid. And 14 months, I know how many times I fell ill, how many times I had to take myself to the doctor. There was nobody at home, nobody backed me up. They completely removed me from the house. My mom used to call me ऐसे बीच-बीच में just to get to know whether I'm there or not and all. But
ये animal का trailer क्यों लग रहा है?
Well, I think it was more what do you say, like.
It was more
deep, more deep than animal, because he was a boy, and men are pretty much capable of shutting emotions out rather than women. We women need a little backup. So I think mom says that the dad was pretty upfront about the fact that he didn't like me in my career of modeling and acting, and then he used to always tell everybody ki, when our family friends used to come, maybe from the Iraq side and all, he used to never tell them that she's an actress. He used to always be like, they ask, where is Rasha? And he's like, oh, she's studying. She's in hostel or something. Very openly, he used to say that out. So I used to feel like he was embarrassed of my career. Because I think for 2-3 years, because of all this shit career with this problems and all, casting couches and all, I promised him that if I get into this career, I'll never, sleep around for work and something. And I kept that promise pretty upfront. So I couldn't achieve what I needed to achieve at a young age. So he felt like, हाँ चलो ना कामयाब हो गई है, अब आ जाएगी कभी भी and all. And I never came back because I had the same ego that he did. And मैं अकेली मतलब बोलते हैं ना in our language मैं अकेली मर जाऊंगी वहाँ पे, but because of that ego I'll never come.
अपने पापा की बेटी ना, तो जितना उनका ईगो उतना आपका.
Absolutely. And we were like repelling each other big time. So I only know how much I wanted him beside me to just hold my hand and be like, I'm there. It's okay. कोई बात नहीं. Try again. कोई बात नहीं. अभी रिजेक्शन है, 2 रिजेक्शन है. आबादी भी तो देखो कितने लोग आ रहे हैं. Every day 60-70 हजार लोग बॉम्बे आ रहे हैं. Look at the competition. It's okay. You don't have anyone to back. Nobody was saying that. I was saying that to myself. It's okay, Rasha. It's okay. आज हार गए, कोई बात नहीं. Maybe someone else comes. So as soon as एकता I was about to leave hope. कि बस चलो अब ये महीने के एंड तक नहीं हुआ ना, वी आर स्विचिंग द करियर्स, वी आर गोइंग बैक टू समथिंग नाइस, विल डू बिजनेस, विल डू वर्क, लेट्स बिकम फ्लाइट अटेंडेंट्स, लेट्स गो हियर दैट, यूज आवर ब्यूटी टू अटू. वही महीने के एंड में कुछ ना कुछ काम आ जाता था. एंड अगेन आई यूज्ड टू गेट पुल्ड इनटू दैट करियर. जैसी मैं छोड़ने के कगार पे रहती थी, समथिंग और द अदर यूज्ड टू हैपन. सो आई वाज लाइक, मतलब आई थिंक स्टिल समवेयर और द अदर अल्लाह डिडंट वांट मी टू लीव इट. सो एज सून एज आई स्टार्टेड प्रोग्रेसिंग ना, everybody else in our society, वो आपकी बेटी को देखा था इस लड़के के साथ, उस लड़के के साथ, वहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे दिख रही थी वो. So that became like a problem for my dad. So I remember that one day he told my mom that उसको बोल दो कि she completely takes off on her own. Like indirectly it was like आप नाम भी हटा दो हमारा, so that we can say that our daughters disown totally, so that we can say no, we don't have a daughter anymore करके. That was like a break even for me. मतलब that broke me completely. वहाँ पे मैं threshold broke. मतलब वो दिन I felt like I lost. And after that, I got myself into depression. Even people like us can get ourselves into depression. The worst part is we couldn't tell that to anyone. I like someone telling that, Rasha, it's okay, you can cry. It's okay, you can be weak. Let us take care of you. Let me take care of you. Nobody said that. They expected me to take care of myself, always.
So here, just like there's one very famous person in the industry who asks other people, who is your 3 a.m. friend? So at that point of time, who was your 3 a.m. friend? At that point of time, Rasha, come on.
Another bummer thing was that I never had friends. Yeah, I mean the worst thing was if I would have friends, वो journey बहुत आसान हो जाती थी.
Pack up करो रे. नहीं.
I mean
now you have a 3 a.m. friend. Like 3 a.m. I'll be sleeping, 10 p.m.
You are way more than friend, I should say. You are like you're more than a friend. I think I consider you to be family. I can disappoint you and feel good about mental strength. People don't talk about mental strength, Ekta. Mental strength is very necessary. You're like absolutely fine. Your intensity to hide your sorrows reduces with every setback. Work crazy dragon lady. I've become this.
I want to know about your family, Rash.
Pretty much we're in touch. We're back again as a family. Kirmanis are back again. I think mom has played a very important role for me, my character building. Yeah, I think she held me very well. I cannot thank mama enough. Today when I look back to all the time, it really makes me very emotional. People be like, it's like acting and all. But no, actually there's like a part of me which is still very grateful to that one woman, what she's done for me. She says she's very weak, she's very weak. I think she's really strong. I mean, not just physically, but mentally, I think the power that she holds as a mother, I think that's how mothers needs to be. And I really hope that if I could be 10% of what she is, I think I'd do a fabulous job. And she being so highly qualified, holding 2 superly qualified kids and one amazingly handsome and loving husband together, she's done a fabulous job that way. She left her job and everything because of us. She wanted to be with us and all, just bring the family back together, because I think because of anger issues and all of that thing, we were going apart. She did that, and I think after that, the family's been pretty good. Mama's been good like that. Bhai, he's currently settled abroad. So he was not, I didn't spend much of his young age with him. I mean, yeah. He left India at a very young age. So I think tab se he's been in Germany only. But he's always been there at my beck and call. When shit hits the ceiling, it's like,
yeah, it's like Hamisha Bhaiya is always
yeah, it's like, hello. Bhai. No, he understands. When I'm like, hello. And he's like, haan Rasha. I'm like, hi bhai, kaise ho? He's like, ठीक हूँ. And then there's a silence for 2 seconds. And immediately from his side, he'll be like, क्या चाहिए?
क्या मेगा क्या चाहिए? क्या किया?
हाँ, क्या चाहिए और क्या किया? What happened? He knows कि चिल्लाने वाली हरकत ही करी है. But he knows अगर वो बोलूगा मैं चिल्लाऊंगा तो she won't say. So he's like, हाँ नहीं चिल्लाऊंगा बताओ. And then like रट्टू तोते की तरह be like, you know what happened, 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 like that. I'm like that.
बड़ा है छोटा है?
He's 3 years elder to me.
Elder, हाँ, because
He's always getting me out of messes, always. I mean, he has. लोग बोलते हैं ना कि बेटी माँ की छवि होती है और बेटा बाप का जगह लेता है. But हमारे उसमें like my बेटा is like mother and the बेटी is totally father. I'm so extrovert that उसकी कोई हद नहीं है. I mean, I think I'm more extrovert than you. That's for sure.
I was just gonna ask you. I'm the ambivert. I am not extrovert. I am only extrovert with selective people at selective times. यहाँ पे हाँ ठीक है, एंकरिंग ये सब ठीक लगता है. वो 1000 लोगों के सामने कैमरा के सामने बात करना मजा आता है. The moment it is off, I am like, no people around me. I'm getting back into my shell. No one talks to me. I'm an ambivert like
you
that.
Are like, yeah, you're like selectively extrovert. Yeah, no, I'm like extrovert with everyone. I like making people comfortable around me. I'm a people's pleaser. Like, I don't like anyone sulking around me.
I had seen a post of you getting really pissed at somebody. Okay, I think somebody was trying to click a picture with you. And उसने शायद हाथ पकड़ा या कमर पे हाथ रखा and भाई साहब मैडम ने रूप दिखा दिया.
I don't know why people take extrovert girls to be like, and then you're coming and commenting on my profile.
Right now, you just said that I don't mind my man touching me here and there. So talking about your man, being from a Muslim background, from an Orthodox family, one fine day you're gonna get married, Rasha. How do you think that family is gonna accept you? How do you think your man is gonna accept you? What do you think will happen? I mean, your family had a problem. They have come to terms with it now.
Yeah.
Why do you think someone else is going to accept what it is?
I don't expect them to accept that. I know it's going to be like, it's going to be hell and heavens for them to accept someone like me. But at the end of the day, I think if someone really falls in love, if I'm in love with someone, I think that person is only the one who'll get to be in my space where I am not that Rasha. So I think he'll know about the fact that there is one Rasha which is, you know, kind of procuring to all the demands which is given by the society for her to be an actress and a model. And there is one Rasha who's going to be his wife or his soulmate.
Life partner.
Yeah. So the Rasha who's going to be soulmate is the one he's going to get married to. This Rasha is going to stay out of house. I'm not going to bring this Rasha home. So for him, I know it's going to be difficult for his parents to understand that. But I think that is his part of the headache. My part of the headache is going to be making my parents understand ki, you know, this guy is good for me. He's going to keep our dignity of the family. And so that's his part of the journey where he needs to make his family understand that she makes me happy and I want to spend my life with her. At the end of the day, she's going to be my woman at the beck and call. I think Shadi ke baad, even the police gives the first authority to the wife to sign papers if there's anything wrong with the husband. Still, parents come second. So I think I'll be the priority for his life. And I do believe that there's this one guy who will make me his priority and keep me into his life as that thing.
Yeah, what was the song that you were singing? Jiski aankhon mein meri hi kami ho,
koi to hai wo yaar mahiya. Yeah, he's going to be my guy. So I hope that does happen.
हम जो sentimental बातें कर रहे थे पिछली बार, उसको इस बार ना सिर्फ mental रखते हैं.
Okay.
सेंटी को कर देते हैं कट.
Done.
ठीक है. तो हम आज खेलेंगे आपके साथ, मतलब कुछ गेम्स खेलेंगे नहीं, आपके साथ बहुत खेल चुके हैं. So आज हम खेलेंगे आपके साथ कुछ गेम्स. सबसे पहला खेलेंगे मेरा फेवरेट वाला. What are you drinking?
My green tea.
रखो जरा. कैसा है? फैमिली शो है तो नहीं, मतलब ग्रीन टी से प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, पर फैमिली शो है तो मैं टकीला वकीला तो मंगा नहीं सकती.
मंगा लिए तो अच्छा होता था.
अभी जाने दो. पर वी विल प्ले नेवर हैव आई एवर. और अब आपने आपकी ग्रीन टी रख ही दी है और आप हैं लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंट. सो आप पीजिए कॉफी, मैं पीती हूँ ग्रीन टी. आई मीन पियेंगे हम कब? जब चोरी पकड़ी जाएगी. मतलब obviously we all know what is never have I ever, and we're going to play this game with you. Tada! Scripted part comes today with unscripted kahaniyan.
Okay, let's go, Mrs. Kapoor.
So you know everything about the game.
Yeah.
अगर किया है तो पीना है, नहीं किया है तो नहीं पीना है. तैयार रहिएगा. क्वेश्चंस ऐसे हैं कि शायद आपका पेट खराब हो जाए.
I'm scared of it now. Okay, go.
So lactose intolerant, don't forget, take small sips. Never have I ever I'm sure people understood. So, अब जब मजे चल ही रहे हैं रशा किरमानी,
Yeah,
तो
this is nice.
थोड़ा सा मजा और करने से पहले हम थोड़ी बातें कर लेते हैं. बहुत सारे सवालों का ना. एक सवाल और है. So बताइए हमें ये कौन सी मूवीज हैं? We'll start with whatever your favorite.
So my first film which I was shooting was for Vachinavadu Gautam. Vachinavadu Gautam in Telugu means जो आ रहा है ना उसका नाम गौतम है.
हाँ.
The person who's coming is Gautam.
Even I learned Kannada recently when I was in Bangalore. All that I learned is let's go. So once we're done with
it,
Ogana Bunny. Something like that. Okay. So
Okay.
Vachinavadu Gautam.
Yeah, the hero is Ashwin Babu.
Mm-hmm.
He is very handsome actor and a very nice fellow also. So my first film was with him only. I'm playing a negative role in that. I'm like the villain, and it's a nice film. I'm playing it up with Sachin Khedekar sir, and he is the hero in it, Ashwin Babu. It's like a murder mystery kind of a thing.
A thriller.
You know, yeah, like a thriller kind of a thing. And the full film is based on that.
और अभी बता दिया that you are the villain.
हाँ, मतलब I am the villain. That is, by the time I think this podcast comes out, the film ka details will come into it only. But it's okay. I'm established as a villain since the beginning.
At least for people, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Even in the trailer, it will be established pretty well. Yeah. Then second, I think, second is Mayavan 2, second part of it. It's with Sandeep Kishan.
Okay.
It's a sequel. That's a sci-fi film.
Okay.
हाँ, उसमें I play the role of a scientist, and उसमें my sudden death is the entire reason for the film to happen.
Okay.
My death is the film revolves around my death.
Okay. The plot
of the film. And third is my web series for Z5, which is called as Vikatakavi. Vikatakavi is actually, it's like one word in Telugu which is spelled the same way backwards also. Vikatakavi. Okay. It means like a person who is very knowledgeable and shrewd and generous and dimag se very smart and chapter at the same time. Very witty human being, very humorous person. Very wise also. Like Tenali Rama was Vikatakavi.
Like us.
Like not you for sure. You can be wicked Kavi.
I can be wicked.
You can be the wicked Kavi. You can't be the Vikatakavi for sure. Okay. That is Vikatakavi. That is like first Telugu, what do you say, mystery. The first. Like, you know, like how Sherlock Holmes is the British novel. And hamare isme we have, everyone has one character. Like CID is there for this thing. You know. So Vikatakavi mein the one mystery, what do you call it? Like we have Byomkesh Bakshi and all.
Like
so
Jaga Jasoos.
Yeah. So Telugu industry ka pehla
Jasoos
kind of a film.
Okay.
Spy kind of thing. Not even spy, what do you call them?
Detective.
Yeah, detective. First detective series for Telugu industry is Vikatakavi.
Okay.
It is releasing on Z5. It might come out by Dasera. Naresh Agastya and Megha Akash are the hero-heroines. I have a very different role in that series. Like I play 3 roles. I am having 3 roles in it. So they show me into my pre-era before marriage, then they show me at the age of 30, 35, and then they show me after I'm 55, paralyzed. I have 3 roles in it.
Wow, makeup करने में काफी सारा time चाहिए.
I was the one who did the makeup. You know, I'm like a super makeup artist. I save money on makeup. I save money on hair. I save money on styling, on sari drapings and all. मैं सबको साड़ी पहनाती थी.
She didn't even charge me for coming here. She saved my money too.
No, don't say that. धंधा बंद कराएगी ये लड़की.
Saving money की बात चली, मैं सोचा थोड़ा I'm giving you a hint.
Don't charge
me. ऐसा मैं बता रही हूँ, मत लो पैसे यार, save money.
भैया इसको चेक भेज देना.
So tell me ये और एक I think you're doing something in Malayalam also.
I actually did not announce that yet, but yeah, obviously you are like the Ekta as you always are. You have to keep snooping into people's personal life.
Vikatakavi.
That's
my new name. I'm changing my channel's name. It's gonna be the Vikatakavi.
You are Wicked Kavi. You're not Vikatakavi. You're Wicked Kavi. So I did sign a Malayalam project. The movie ka muhurat happened, but we're still waiting for a few more characters to get finalized, and I think next month we go on floor. They have not yet announced the title of the film. But yeah, that is also like a thriller film.
It's on the cards.
Yeah, and
Good.
It's really good. my details are out there. Malayalam is one industry which I personally love a lot. I mean, I love everything about Malayalam industry.
So let's do this. Let's have one dialogue from you.
So when I was shooting for Vikata Kavi, I got this dialogue on the spot where the tribal head was telling me that, ma'am, you're the one. My name is Yashoda in it. And he was asking me to go and light the lamp. His name is Pashupati. I have to tell him that, what is this Pashupati? When my mom was there, so she was the one who used to go and light the lamp. So now when my, sister-in-law has come, so not me, it should be her who should go and light the lamp. So my dialogue was, Anni telisina meere atla ante etla Pashupati. Amma unnanta varaku avadakadam deepam veliginchedi. Meere inti kodaliga ma vadina gaari deepam veligistundi.
तो अब हैदराबाद के भी काफी सारे फॉलोअर्स और भी ज्यादा बढ़ने वाले हैं एंड दिस वाज
हैदराबाद चाला बागुंदी.
हाँ जो भी था वो
it means
चलो भागो.
No, Chala Bagundi means it's very nice.
Ah, very nice. Okay, so now because I did not understand a single word of it,
I just explained it to you. Bro.
Yeah, but the literal translation, so I understood the scene, I understood the feelings, I didn't understand the words. So let's do this. Let me play some words with you. So I'm going to play a game with you again. जिसमें कि मैं कुछ words बोलूंगी.
Let me put on my Jaguar lights.
Ooh, all right. Can I get a ooh yeah? What do you say that?
Oh yeah.
I can't even do that. So I'm going to say some words. You have to say whatever comes to your mind first.
Okay.
Bollywood.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Tollywood.
Allu Arjun.
Adventure.
Money.
Family.
Love.
Mom.
Nagging.
Brother.
Support.
Makeup.
Artificial.
Blue.
That's a very good. That's one of my non-favorite colors, ma. Don't
I
ask
know,
me
that's the
blue.
reason.
I don't like blue. Okay. Ocean.
Okay. Hyderabad.
Biryani.
Kerala.
Kori roti.
Soulmate. BTS.
Ew.
Okay. But soulmate का आंसर नहीं है. Soulmate का आंसर ये था.
Can I just use an alphabet for that?
Please.
How about S?
S. Yeah.
And we just leave it to there.
I like Sabyasachi. I do.
Don't dig into it more. Enough. Khalas. Yalla.
Coffee.
Vomit. I am lactose intolerant and I have vomited a lot drinking coffee. I know all my coffee fans are going to be hating this thing, but yeah, Rasha doesn't like coffee doesn't mean you can't have coffee. Bring it on.
Yeah, so it's just that whenever you ask Rasha out for a date, you don't say coffee.
Can I take you out for coffee? Just say, can I take you out for nimbu pani with thanda wala ice?
Otherwise, she will throw up. You remember that?
She's going to
Butter garlic prawns.
Nice.
Okay. Cricket.
Kirmani.
Oh, okay. Now people are gonna Google this. Okay. Trees.
Making out.
Backwaters.
Boat.
Swimming pool.
Bikini.
Sri Lanka.
Bailey's Casino.
Oh my God. I'm coming to this one. Wait.
Oh my God.
I'm coming to this one. Wait. Podcast.
Unscripted Kahaniya by Kapoor. Obviously, this is like one of my first podcasts that I've done, and the feeling was too good. I mean, you made it really easy for me.
Thank you so much. So when we were talking about casino, Sri Lanka, and you said Bailey's Casino, I'm sure you have a good memory with Kapoor, Unscripted Kahaniya with Kapoor. So what is your wildest memory with me?
You are, I think people should know this, that this Ekta Kapoor and the other
It's all
Ekta
poised.
Kapoor is ज़्यादा कोई फर्क नहीं है. Both of you Ekta Kapoors are wild as. I think with you, it's like the wildest memory I have of you was that one phone call. Sorry. Okay.
I can't even laugh to that. I still get angry.
No. People need to know this. Okay, we're going to get into this. Okay, we have to get into this. All right. So I think we were on the front side by waterfronts, and you came out. You were talking on the phone to someone. Were you like you?
We have to spell out.
Taking names?
Yes.
Are we taking names?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I remember you were talking to this Rohit guy, that Rohit Kapoor, that guy who called me up, and you were like, you're talking on the phone, and you're like, Rohit, meri baat suno. Very calm and composed about it, very cool about it. But I think what I don't know what was reciprocating from Rohit's side. Achanak, there was this silence on your side. You're like, Rohit, baat suno meri, and I stopped looking at you, and I turned my head towards this side, and Achanak se. There was this 2-second silence, and we thought that okay, the conversation's done. Yalla, khalas, it's all gonna go. And you just screamed, and you were like, and I was like, oh shit, where does that energy come from? You were like, chilla mat. And I just turned out towards you, and you're like, you're fine. I'm like, no, you're not fine. That voice didn't come out of your throat for sure. It's like you screamed from your gut. And I'm definitely sure that Rohit. I'm definitely sure Rohit would have taken a shit in his pants after that. I think that was my craziest memory about you.
No,
you are not poised at all. You know, you are this one girl who would be like, nyam, girl, you cannot take it for sure. So that's what keeps me hooked up to you, Ekta. You know, that's the best thing about you. The reason why I prefer coming and talking about all of these things to you is, you know, you make life very easy. You make things to very easy around you. You make people feel very comfortable about what they are, and your questions and all are also good. I've been asked to come to a lot of podcasts, but I never went out over there because I don't know what they would just snip out of here and there and make something out of it. Very, very selective on that. But you, on the contrary, you are more like family to me, and plus, main important thing is you're educated. and the fact that you know about me. So I think that was one reason I did for Unscripted Kahaniyan. And I think that's one of the most craziest things I know about you. And I know that you're capable of doing a lot more than this. And I think this is the beginning. So I'm sure that you're going to go a long way.
Thank you so much. But talking about craze, Rasha, there's one more crazy person that both of us love. Yeah. And you have a very favorite video, which we see every time we meet. Ooh, let's see it.
जिसने मेरी ये बॉटल को स्विमिंग पूल में फेंका, बिग बॉस प्लीज आप सारे टेप रिवाइंड करो और चेक करो क्या ये सांडनी थी, ये सांडनी थी.
Okay, this one.
Now, why do you? Why?
A lot of people are going to judge me out of this video. A lot of people are going to judge me, but I comparatively feel like I resonate a lot to Rakhi Sawant. I think Rakhi Sawant speaks out things which we want to tell out people, but hum bol nahi pate.
Oh,
I mean, how many times in my life I wanted to tell fat people ki kya ye soundoni thi?
Soundoni.
Kya ye soundoni thi? And she just said it out loud ki where is my bottle? क्या मेरी बॉटल इसने फेंकी है, क्या ये सांडोनी थी?
मेरी फ्रेम में मत आ.
ये मेरा फ्रेम काट दिया, and she's too good about it. I love that about it. So I feel Rakhi Sawant is very underrated. Whatever she does for publicity and all, I don't have anything else to say that. I think that's her personal life. But I think she is one person who has the guts to say a lot of this thing, and she has completely tone deaf to all the people who speak shit about her. And I think that's what we need to do in life, right?
She's like, for me, she's like my alter ego, you know, like.
No, there was this one episode where I think Rahul Vaidya asks her that what is the full form of MBBS. She goes out, she's like, मेरे को अभी bathroom जाने का है, मैं bathroom जाके
अभी जाएगी.
She goes out and she asks Ali Goni and Jasmine, what is the full form of MBBS, tell me. And they're like,
let's take a look at that patch.
I think yeah, there is that video. See.
कैसे? मैं बताती हूँ. आलू खाया, पेट में गैस हुआ. गैस ऊपर हार्ट की तरफ आता है. हार्ट थोड़ा दर्द होने. हेलो, मैंने MBBS किए हैं. कहाँ से किया? कनाडा से किए.
See, I told you. They're like masters and bachelors of science and something. They're like science ही होगा ये, surgery तो नहीं होगा. You have to have an alternate full form for GST. Make an alternate full form of GST. गलती से
गलती से ठोका. I think I have so many people जिनको देख के I think in my dreams I'm like oh GST गलती से ठोका
उसको. Imagine our exes would say that to us. इसको भी गलती से ठोका.
जिंदगी की सबसे बड़ी गलतियां.
That became so dark.
If we have to make a list about गलतियां, जिंदगी की सबसे बड़ी गलतियां, we cannot prioritize, right? Like कौन सी?
What would be your जिंदगी की सबसे बड़ी गलती?
Taking a long break from work for somebody who did not deserve that break. Kit Kat. What was yours? ये podcast उल्टा क्यों रहा है? हाँ.
It's okay. I mean, we can ask. We ask other people also.
What was
My
your-
biggest galti was thinking that going back to where I came from was a good option.
You tried that?
I did, and I don't know why, and I failed miserably. I think
Okay.
India suits me. I mean, Dil India.
Oh, you went back to
Yeah, I was
Iran?
actually planning to go back to Iran.
Oh.
Nothing was happening in India. I felt like no, Indians don't deserve me and all that kind of a thing. But then
Indians don't deserve you. Hold it, honey. Can we please start with see, I know your religious views and everything, but I also know क्योंकि कल ही रात को जब मैं हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ रही थी तो मैंने सुना किसी को गुनगुनाते हुए. तो
I started to learn it. Okay, I know the Gayatri mantra. I know the Gayatri mantra. I started learning Hanuman Chalisa. I learned 2 lines, which is a big accomplishment.
so let's do this.
Okay.
Can we get rid of the footwear?
Okay.
हाँ जी मैडम बोलिए.
जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीश तिहु लोक उजागर
रामदूत अतुलित बलधामा अंजनी पुत्र
पवन
पवन
सुदनामा.
सुदनामा.
I learned that much. Yeah. See, I
क्या
learned.
बात है.
I learned.
बजरंग
2
बली की
days
जय.
it was
Yes,
good. Yeah.
that was amazing.
I did.
So it's not just that India suits you, it's that India loves you back.
It does. It
Rasha.
does. Actually, it does. I mean, I don't know. People say, a lot of people on my Instagram say I'm Pakistani. I don't know why there's hatred for Pakistan though. I mean, obviously they've done some crazy shit things, definitely.
A few people play.
Yeah. Few people. But there are कुछ लोगों की वजह से पूरा मुल्क बदनाम है. That's not the thing what I say. But I don't know why people consider me to be Pakistani. Like, I don't think anybody would be more Indian than me. Like, I came from a country which is non-Indian, and I turned my hair into Indianized. I turned my face into Indian just so that Indians could accept me. I think there's nothing more, patriotic than someone doing this and all. And I love
Agreed.
everything about India. I love the democracy. I love the liberalization. I love the fact that women are expressive out here. I love the fact that people say the legal system is piece of shit and all. I don't think that, no. I think a few people who are exploiting it are bad, but I think the constitution is amazingly set. I've read it. Our national anthem is amazing. I think it's way much better than the other countries and all. But I think everything, India is perfect at everything. I don't think.
And I think also you believe in one thing that जहाँ की हम मिट्टी पे जी रहे हैं, जहाँ की हम मिट्टी खा रहे हैं, जहाँ से हम जिस पे अनाज उग रहा है हम वो खा रहे हैं, उसको फॉलो करना चाहिए. And I think that's the reason तू मराठी पण खूप सुंदर बोलतेस.
ऍक्च्युअली मी मराठी खूप चांगल्या प्रकारे बोलू शकते.
एकदम सुंदर आहे मराठी. तर आपण एक काम करूयात. एक काहीतरी सांग ना यार जरा लोकांना की काय म्हणजे तुला महाराष्ट्राबद्दल सगळ्यात जास्त काय आवडतं हे जरा आपण ऐकूया.
जेव्हा मी महाराष्ट्रामध्ये सेटल झाली तेव्हा मला डाऊट होतो, आई वडिलांना पण डाऊट होतो की आपण इथे ऍडजस्ट होऊया, इथे मुलगीचं शिक्षण करूया, काय करूया, ते सगळं डाऊट होतो. बट आय थिंक ते सगळं चांगलं डिसिजन होतं, कारण माझं मराठीचं प्रोनाऊन्सिएशन एवढं चांगलं झालं, मी लोकांशी बोलायला लागली, लोकांचं स्वभाव एवढं चांगलं होतं, मराठी फॅमिलीज एवढं चांगल्या प्रकारे शिष्टाचारने बोलायचं, मला घरी येऊन मला बोलवायचं, मला सांगायचं की चल जेवूया, आणि जे वरण आणि भात जेवायला द्यायचं. आय लव्ह एव्हरीथिंग अबाउट इट, अँड आय थिंक there are no much better people than Maharashtrians, and I'm so proud to be raised by Marathi people. तर तुमचं खूप खूप आभार, आणि मी तुमच्याशी एवढं प्रेम करते की मी महाराष्ट्राला कधी सोडून जाणार नाही. दॅट इज फॉर शुअर.
खतरनाक. काय म्हणताय पब्लिक.
मेरी जान.
सो ये हो गया मराठी. अब आपके ये जो रील्स बनते हैं जिसके लिए आप बहुत ज्यादा फेमस हैं. 9
What are you trying to
दादा
say?
टिश्यू नहीं, मतलब आपकी जो रील्स है इतनी ज्यादा फेमस है एंड एवरीथिंग, तो उसमें ज्यादातर एक तो साउथ इंडियन सॉन्ग्स होते हैं क्योंकि आप कर रहे हो साउथ इंडियन मूवीज. अभी आपने मराठी में बात की तो आपने मराठी गाना भी किया, गुलाबी साड़ी आपकी
I
फेवरेट.
love गुलाबी साड़ी.
एवरीबॉडी डज. बट जो हमारे पंजाबी लोग हैं उन्होंने क्या बिगाड़ा आपका?
कि कितना मैं पंजाबी
एक रील नहीं बनाई तुसी पंजाबी च। एक काम करो जी, तुसी आओ टेबल चक्को आज उतरी
है कि कितना
ए की किता हुण मैं दसना है तेनू की किता।
ओके
लगाओ बाजी म्यूजिक।
पंजाबी च डांस करना है
आहो
okay I'm going to teach you how you need to dance accordingly okay you have to learn according to that so you got to be like gotta go 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4
ये हाथ चल जाएगा, ये भी लाना चाहता हूँ।
you have to move this is important लड़कियों का यही हिलने। How do you think I get million views?
आप कर रहे हो ना रिकॉर्ड ये सब, बता रही है कैसे मिलियन व्यूज मिलते हैं। हाँ
This is influencer, ये अंदर की बात है।
Right, this goes out to all the Punjabi.
चीख के सबको स्कीमें बता दे।
This goes out to all the Punjabi people.